We're going to Desert Botanical Garden, and it's my first time. I'm so excited.
We're gonna meet up with my nephew Ben, and they're both gonna be for the first time. Ben is real big into the natural landscapings and the xeriscaping and all that fun stuff. So
Yeah.
and Cindy's just into plants. So
Yeah, that's true.
they got a lot of cool plants for Ben, and they got a lot of pretty plants for Cindy. So
That would be exciting.
maybe even some calamansi.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think that's actually a desert plant.
Yeah, it's more of a tropical. But hey, it exists here in Arizona because I have some friends who have calamansi. So, that's it. I'm having fun in this. I can take pictures and video. Cool. Welcome to Desert Botanical Garden. That's cool. Cool, like it. Ah, you're a good teacher, Ben.
The other thing you want to think about too is like telling,
I'll post.
checking in.
We just paid or checked in, paid our entrance. See, I'm starting
now,
to.
now we're welcome. Now we can cruise.
Cool. It's cool.
I like these. These are like asparagus.
This one?
This one. It's like an asparagus.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Same family.
Yeah. What's the name of that plant?
I don't know. I think it's a yucca or what.
It's a type of yucca.
Yeah, a type of yucca, but
Wow. There's more. It's like a bamboo also. No, okay.
yeah.
We're in the Desert Botanical Garden. Cool. Awesome. Cool. Walking in a trail.
What I kind of like about these is they've got the paths that you can walk through them.
That you can get into them.
Oh yeah.
Creosote bush.
That's cool. Oh, it smells good. What's that smell? This one?
No bad. Cool.
Smells good.
For the buds, they haven't bloomed yet.
Oh. Okay. There's one flower blooming there. Over. Oh.
There's a bee in that one.
Cool beans.
These flop. Oh, where do you go?
Here. There you go. Here. Wild trail. Cool. Awesome. Call this Desert Wildflower Loop Trail. And they started to bloom. Maybe next week. Cool. Welcome to the Desert Wildflower Loop Trail. Oh, beautiful flowers! I love flowers. Yes.
There's a pair of birds in the back.
Oh, and there's more yellow. Sorry, got it. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. They're really beautiful. There's the hummingbird. That's so cute.
He's up there on the branch.
So cute. And move. A hummingbird.
So fast.
Yeah. There you go. Pinch black spine prickly pear. Different kind of grass. The queen and the male. Butterfly story. Butterfly story. There you go.
The monarch butterfly.
Oh. It's so beautiful. Perfect. Just beautiful. Cool.
Kinds of barrel cactus.
Twisted barrel cactus. There you go. So is this, can we eat the fruit in this?
Eventually, yeah.
Cool. Cool. Awesome. Texas olive.
I wonder if they have Texas-sized olives.
It's probably massive.
Yeah. Spring butterfly exhibit. Cool.
Actually, when I'm
Like this, trellis.
What is? Oh, it's
So
like
they're
a vine.
Yeah, it's a vine. It's a pea.
Purple coral
pea
tree
But
vine.
they're going to use this as a trellis to let it grow up, and
Yeah.
then shade that, or make it so that it's not an eyesore.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. We're in the butterflies. Economy suite and hotels. Insects Hotel. West Best. Song. Buzzing. Airbnb. Thank you.
Hello, how you doing today?
Morning. Thank you. Cool.
The exit's right over there with the other orange chairs.
Oh, awesome. Firefly.
Leave it there.
Awesome.
Retrieve it later. You can just leave